Ang gusto ko kasi malaman din also is you're calling for a secessionist secession of Mindanao.
Kailangan i-correct yan, ha?
Yan,
with
buti.
due respect.
Oo.
Hindi po calling yon. It was an acknowledgement. No, bago nyo pa simulan akong kasuhan, which you can if you want to. Pero what I was acknowledging is that this long-standing call for Mindanao to separate. Kasi nga, feeling nila, neglected sila. Ayaw ma-approve ng federal. Yung Bangsamoro, hanggang ngayon, nagkakagulo pa sa kung sinong iboboto, kung ang gulo pa di ba? So, they do feel neglected economically and politically.
For the longest time,
actually. And then, there is evidently dalawang uri ng Pilipinas. Definitely. And what I mean by dalawang Pilipinas is hindi lang mayaman at mahirap. Merong Pilipino halimbawa sa South na number 3 si Jimmy Bondoc sa Balota. No? Number 3. At sa Luzon number 27, no? May ganon. Magkaiba yan. Merong 100% ang approval or more or less, no, sa Pangulong Duterte at merong biglang 30% sa iba eh. What people see as a failed drug war upstairs is the most glorious thing that happened downstairs, sa South. Magkaiba eh. So, culturally, magkaiba. Hindi napapansin economically, politically. So, since the Spanish era, nananawagan na sila ng secession, hihina. Lalakas, hihina. Yung nangyari na deny yung appeal ni Pangulong Duterte, lumakas yung tawag ng mga sila Congressman Kiko Barsaga, magsisid na lang tayo, blah, 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 blah. So, I acknowledge it. Sabi ko, yan na, lumalakas na Republic of Mindanao coming soon. Hindi ko panawagan yun. Acknowledgement yun.
Okay. Buti na lang na,
to be clear, I'm not against it. I'm not against it. No, I want to be very clear. I'm not against it, but I'm not advocating it. I'm saying it's something that we should acknowledge at get to the root cause of it. Kasi sa totoo, hindi naman maganda na mag-splinter ang bansa dahil malaking movement yon. Magpaparecognize pa tayo sa ibang bansa. Kailangan pansinin pa tayo ng ibang superpowers. Pero, the call is there.